In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to Afterpay on Trademe. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Afterpay is available on Trademe. However, this is something that each individual seller must enable for their listings. So, while some products will have Afterpay enabled payments, you might not be able to use Afterpay on every single product. In order to check if a product accepts Afterpay, all you have to do is open up its listing. As you can see, this listing does not have Afterpay over here at the right side, which means that I cannot use Afterpay to pay for this auction. Let's keep looking for another product until we see the Afterpay enabled notification. As you can see, none of these do. However, when you find a listing that allows you to pay with Afterpay, this is what you should see. Over here at the right side, under the price, buy now, you will be able to see this, or 4 interest-free payments of whatever price plus shipping with Afterpay. If you see this notification as I'm highlighting over here, this means that you can use Afterpay for this specific auction or product. And all you have to do next is select Buy Now. When you click Buy Now, this window will appear and it's going to prompt you to sign into your account. So over here, you can simply include your details and log into your Trademe account, and if all your credentials are in order and your account is verified, as you can see, my account isn't enabled yet, but if yours is, you will be able to go through with the payment and use Afterpay to buy your product on Trademe. I hope I was able to help you on how to Afterpay on Trademe. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.